Are gloves required if proper hand-washing hygiene is practiced? Have you ever wondered if wearing gloves is necessary if you are already washing your hands properly? This is a common question in the world of food safety. Let's break it down together. First off, hand washing is the cornerstone of food safety. Washing your hands effectively removes most germs and is essential before starting any food preparation. You should wash your hands after using the restroom, after handling raw meat, poultry, seafood, or unwashed produce, and after any activity that could contaminate your hands. Now, while proper hand washing is vital, it may not completely eliminate the risk of transferring germs from your hands to food. This is especially true if your hands have cuts or wounds, or if you frequently touch different surfaces. That's where gloves come into play. Gloves act as an extra layer of protection. When used correctly, they can help prevent contamination of ready-to-eat foods. Ready-to-eat foods are those that will not be cooked or washed again before serving, making it essential to keep them safe from germs. Many food safety guidelines suggest a no bare hand contact policy for ready-to-eat foods. This means using gloves or utensils like tongs or spatulas. However, some places do not requiring gloves if you are consistently practicing proper hand washing and using utensils correctly. It is also important to remember that gloves need to be used properly. You should change gloves frequently, especially between tasks, after touching non-food surfaces, and after handling raw foods. If your gloves get torn or contaminated, you must replace them. Always wash your hands before putting on gloves and after taking them off. The material of the gloves is another consideration. Latex gloves are often discouraged due to allergy concerns. Alternatives like nitrile, polyethylene, or vinyl gloves are preferred for food handling. In certain situations, wearing gloves is necessary. If you have cuts, wounds, or skin infections, you should cover these areas with a waterproof bandage and wear gloves to prevent any contamination. Lastly, remember that gloves do not replace the need for hygiene training. It is crucial for food handlers to know when and how to wash their hands and use gloves properly to avoid cross-contamination. In summary, while proper hand washing is essential and can significantly lower contamination risks, gloves are recommended as an additional safety measure, especially when handling ready-to-eat foods. They should be used correctly to be effective, as improper use can lead to the same risks as bare hands. So, while gloves are not strictly required if you practice good hand hygiene, they certainly add an extra layer of safety in food preparation.